Hello friends, I am Champion Mahipal. Today we are going to learn about arrays. So what is array? Array is a collection of homogeneous elements. Let us suppose you want to contain 10 or 20 numbers of same data type integer. Then you can create array. So it becomes easy for you to handle that data. Okay, here is the program for explaining the array and its format, how to use the array. Here the void main integer I for loop, and here is the array. A is the name of the array. You can give any name, but it should be within the rules of the name. And then these brackets, square brackets, and within the brackets we give the number of elements we want in array. I have typed here 5. 5 means the 5 consecutive blocks of integer are created in the memory. We can refer using A and then this. We can address using A. Within the square brackets we have to write which element we want. We want the first element, then we have to write 0. The addressing starts from 0 to n minus 1. N is the number of elements we have created. Okay, so here 5, so we have to start from 0 and reach up to 4. Here is the program. In this I am just entering the values in the array. AI will give the value in the ith element of A. I start from 0. It will first give the value to the first element, that is in the A0, then the second A1, then the third A2, then the fourth A3, and then the fifth A4. Okay, and here the loop to show the values which are given to the elements of the array. It is very simple program. Arrays are used very much in our programs, in our routine programming life. Okay, so now we here enter value of A0. Why it is written A0? Because after A I have printed %d and I is used for this. First I am using 5, then 7, then 9. Okay, and it have printed 5, 7, 9, 11, 85. Okay, that's all about arrays. Today we are going to learn about multidimensional arrays in C language. Okay, in the previous chapter we have learned about single dimensional array. Today we will learn about multidimensional array. Multidimensional array is like matrix, which is 2-dimensional. You can also use 3-dimensional for greater mathematical purposes. Here I am giving you the example of 2-dimensional array. I have taken A of 2 into 2, that is, it will keep 4 values. Okay, in the first loop, and this is second loop. It will go from 0 to 2, 0 to 1, and after 2 it will exit. And here is J, which will also go from 0 to 1, and after that it will break. Okay, so here we are taking the value in the array, and here we are saving in the array. The first loop will save. This loop will increase the row number, and this will increase the column number. Okay, and here is the same, which will give output or print of the array. And here I have used value of I and j so that we can know which value we are going to get, and here which value we are going to print. Okay, So let us take a look. Enter value A00 means 0th row 0th column, means first row first column. Okay, 5, then 7. Here it put the value in the same order. Going to learn about strings in C language. String is an array of characters. It is as similar as like array, but the only difference is that it is of character data type. Okay, there are 3 methods to create string in C language. I am explaining this with the example, and here is the example. First method, by write data type, string name and empty brackets, and then writing the string. The string should be written within the double quotes, and a single character is written in single quote. Okay. Second type is by specifying the memory also. The difference is that it will only take the memory which is required to store the string, but it will take the memory specified here. Third way is this. In this we define all the characters separately, and in last we need to write the end character. It gives the compiler the message that now the string has ended. Okay, but here we have not added this, but this is added implicitly by the compiler. We don't need to write it explicitly. Here I am printing all the 3 strings str, st and s just by %s, champion, champion, champion. All the 3 strings execute in the same manner, no difference. Okay, today we are going to learn about functions of string. There are many functions which are used to manipulate the string. All these functions are present in string.h header file or library file. Okay, if we want to use any of the string function, then we need to include the string.h file. There are many functions like string cat to concatenate the 2 strings, string ncat to concatenate the string up to n characters, string copy to copy string, string n copy to copy string up to n characters, string length, know the length of the string, string compare to compare the 2 strings, and many more. Now I am giving you example of 2-3 important functions of string. Here I have created 2 strings ch and ch2. First it will say enter string, then what happen, string copy copies the ch1, that is string 1, into the string 2 ch2. The right side string will be copied to the left side string. String reverse will reverse the string, that is it will reverse the ch string and return it to the ch. So our resultant string will be saved in ch. And string cat do what? It concatenate 2 strings ch and ch2. Okay, I is equal to string length ch. It gives the length of the ch string. Okay, now let us take look at its output. Enter string. Let us suppose we enter ABC. xyz. How the output comes here? First it copies ch string, that is abc xyz, into ch2. Then it reverses this string and then concatenate two strings. This reverse string, that is this string, and the copied string ch2, this string. Okay, and I is the string length, which is 12. It is this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 characters. Okay, we are going to learn about pointers in C language. So the question arises, what is pointer? Pointer is used in C language to point the memory address of the variable. Here is the example to show how the pointer works. I have taken one variable I, and this is pointer. P is the name of the pointer, and star is the operator which is used to declare or say to compiler that it is a pointer. When we put star behind any variable during its declaration, it is declared as a pointer. It will save the memory address. I is equal to 5. I give 5 value to the I creates a memory space of 2 byte in the memory. And in this statement, what I have done, I have given the address %i, address of I to the P. As the pointer contains the address of the variable, it stores the address of the I. Okay, and here are two printf commands. What does this do? Address of I will be printed by this. Now P contains the address of I, so it prints the address of I. And if we want to print the value of I, we need to write *p. *p will write what is in the given memory. Okay, so now we execute it. Address is this and value is this. The address vary from computer to computer. Thank you very much.